Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to start exercise 6b question number 3 from each part. Okay. Okay. First we recall the previous topic. In previous topic we have learned in this fraction we simplify this fraction by the sign of addition and the sign of subtraction. They are fractions. In some question we have learned two fractions and there is plus sign. We solve it by taking denominators, LCM of denominators, and then simplify it. Similarly there are also three fractions just like this one, and this fraction consists of basic operator plus and minus, and we take LCM of denominator and simplify it. Some of the question we are also use formula a square and minus b square, and some of the questions and we open this one just like n minus 2 whole square mean n minus 2 is 2 times. Got it? Similarly, intermediate level question number 3 we have learned same. We take LCM of denominators. First we take same denominators, then we take LCM and simplify the following fractions and simply and answer in its simplest form. Now today we start from question number 3 from each part. Each part also consists of three fractions. Just like this, 3x divided 4 by minus 2c minus 2x divided c minus 2y plus 5 over 3c minus 6c. This is also consists of fraction, and this fraction made by two operators minus and plus. We simplify these fractions by taking same denominators. Got it? Okay class, this is 8 part question number 3. They are different denominators. First we try to make same denominators. We write, first you write solution, then you put equal sign. 3x, we take 2, when we take common 2y minus z minus 2x divide z minus 2y as it is plus 5 divide where we take 3 common z minus 2y, 3 to the 6, and after this there is 2y minus z, there is z minus 2y, there is z minus 2y. They are same, z minus 2y, z minus 2y. That's why we also convert into z minus 2y. We reverse this value, then after reverse this 2y minus z convert into z minus 2y. 3x, there is minus sign between these values, that's why we take common minus. When we reverse value then minus will be become here z माइनस 2y. याद रखिएगा जब भी हमारे पास अंदर माइनस का साइन होगा और हम लोग वैल्यूज़ को रिवर्स करेंगे तो बाहर बाई माइनस साइन आएगा. गॉट इट? माइनस 2x डिवाइड z माइनस 2y एज इट इज़ प्लस 5 डिवाइड 3 z minus 2y as it is. Now these denominator are same, z minus 2y, z minus 2y, z minus 2y. Now we take LCM. LCM is z minus 2y. Got it? Because these are same. Now constant are 3 and 2. Then we take, when we take section, then we get 6. Okay, the value, now you come on first fraction, numerator as it is 3x, z minus 2y, z minus 2y cancel, 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 3 the 6. Got it? Minus, now you come on second fraction, 2x as it is, z minus 3, z minus 2, they are cancelled, and there is 6 but there is no 6, that's why we multiply by with 6. Got it? After this, now you come on last fraction, plus 5 as it is, z minus 2y, z minus 2y cancel, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 3 2 the 6. Got it? Now we multiply by these numerators, 3 3 the 9 minus 9x minus 3 2 the 6 2 the 12 plus 5 2 the 10 divide 6 into z minus 2y as it is. After this they are same because there is x and there is also x, like terms, minus minus plus, when we add this then we get 12 plus 9 21x there is 12 is the biggest value and 12 have minus sign, that's why we will put minus here. Plus 10 divide 6 into z minus 2y. This is your answer. Got it? Because we can't further solve it, that's why this is our answer. Got it? This is the last part of question number 3. We have done question number 3. After this we will start question number 4. The statement is express each of the following fraction in its simplest form. This question is also consists of fraction form and fraction in the form of addition and subtraction. We also convert these fraction into the simplest form. Okay, here we start from question number 1 first part, question number 4 first part. 3a divide 3a minus 5 plus 4a divide 4a minus 1. Got it? First we take LCM of denominators. हम इसको सेम नहीं कर सकते because there is 3a और there is 4a, there is minus 5 and there is minus 1. These are not constant. This is algebraic expression, that's why we can return same just like this. 3a minus 5 4a minus 1. ये algebraic expression है. इनका जब LCM लेंगे तो इनके denominators as it is आ जाएंगे. Got it? Now you come on first fraction, there is 3a. Now you come on denominator, 3a minus 5 3a minus 5 are same, so they are cancelled. 4a minus 1, but in denominator there is not 4a minus 1, that's why we multiply by with 4a minus 1. Okay, after this there is plus sign, that's why we will put plus here. Numerator 4a as it is. Now you come on denominators, there are 4a minus 1 and there are 4a minus 1, they are same, that's why they are cancelled. There are 3a minus 5, but there are not 3a minus 5, that's why we multiply by 3a minus 5. Okay, now we multiply by these values, just like 3a multiplied by 4a, then 3a multiplied by minus 1. Okay, first you multiply by 3a with 4a, 3 4 are 12, a into a, then we get a square. Got it? There is no sign with 3a, it means there is plus sign. Simple is that. 3a multiplied by 1 plus minus minus, 3a multiplied by 1, then we get 3a. Got it? After this now you come on next, plus again 3 4 are 12, a into a, then we get a square, plus minus minus, 4 multiplied by 5, when we multiply by then we get 20a, and denominator is 3a minus 5 4a minus 1 as it is. After this we will be combine like term, just like 12a square, this one plus 12a square and minus 3a minus 20a, and denominators are 3a minus 5 and 4a minus 1. Got it? When we solve this, there is plus and there is plus 12 plus 12, then we get 24a square. Again minus minus plus, then we get 23a. 20 is the biggest value and have minus sign, therefore we will put minus here, and denominator are 3a minus 5 and 4a minus 1 as it is. They are unlike terms, that's why we can't further solve it. This is our answer. Got it? Okay class, after a part, now you come on b and c part. They are very simple and just like a part, b and c part. Got it? Now you come on d part, because there are three fractions, 1 by m, 2 by m minus 4 and 3 by m minus 3, that's why we solve d part. Got it? This is question number 4, d part. This question consists of three fractions. We solve each one by taking LCM. First we put equal sign. Now we take LCM, they are changed. There is m minus 4 and there is m minus 3. That's why we write m each denominator, m minus 4 and m minus 3. Got it? Now you come on first fraction. We ignore next two fractions. Now you come on first fraction. There is m in numerator. Sorry, there is 1 in numerator. We write 1. Now you come on denominator, there is m and there is m, they are cancelled. there is m minus 4, but there is not m minus 4, that's why we multiply by m minus 4. There is m minus 3 in denominator and there is not m minus 3, that's why we write m minus 3. Got it? After this, now you come on second fraction, plus 2 as it is. Okay, there is m minus 4, there is m minus 4 cancel, but not m and n minus 3, that's why we multiply with m and m minus 3. Got it? Now you come on last fraction, upper value as it is, plus 3. Got it? There is m minus 4 and there is also m minus 3, m minus 3, they are cancelled. M and m minus 4 is not here, that's why we multiply by m and m minus 4. Got it? After the we simply multiply by this value and solve it. Lower value as it is, m minus 4, m minus 3. Now you come on upper value, there is m minus 4, there is m minus 3, we multiply by these two brackets. Okay, first we multiply by m with m, then we multiply by m multiply by m, then we get m square. Now m multiply by 3, then we get, there is no sign, it means there is plus sign, plus minus minus, m multiply by 3, we get 3m. Similarly, minus plus minus, m multiply by 4, we get 4m. Again minus minus plus, 4 3 the 12. Okay, got it? We simplify these two brackets, m minus 4 and minus 3, then we get these expression when we solve these two brackets. Now you come on next one, just like here, 2m multiplied by with m minus 3. First we multiply by 2m with m, then we get 2m into m square, plus minus minus 2m multiplied by 3, then we get 3 multiplied by 2, 3 to the 6, or m as it is. Okay, now we multiply by 3m with m minus 4. First we multiply by 3m with m, 3 m multiplied by m, then we get m square. Similarly, plus minus minus, 3 for the 12, or m as it is. This is the simple multiplication of these expressions. Got it? Now we combine like terms. Like terms means same variable, just like there is m square, there is 2m square, there is 3m square. M square plus 2m square plus 3m square. Got it? After this, we combine m minus 3m minus 4m, and after this minus 6m, and also minus 12m. Now there is 12 plus 12. We count this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All terms are complete. Denominator is as it is, m minus 4, m minus 3. Now we simplify one by one, just like there is 1, there is 2, there is 3. 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 1 6, plus plus plus, that's why 1 plus 2 3, 3 and 3 6, 6m square. Now you solve here, minus minus plus, 4 plus 3 7, and 4 is the biggest value, have minus sign, that's why we will put minus here. Again we solve these two, minus minus plus, 6 plus 12, we get 18. 12 is the biggest value and have minus sign, that's why we will put minus here, and plus 12 as it is, and this one as it is. 6m square minus minus plus, when we add this, then we get 25m plus 12. There is minus sign with 18, that's why we will put minus here. M into m minus 4 and m minus 3. We can't further solve it because there is m square, there is m, and there is simple constant. That's why this is answer. This is the D part of question number 4. Okay class, after D part, now you come on next part. There is E part. E part, we write E part. E part is x plus y divide x minus y minus x square minus 4y square divide x square minus y square minus x minus 3y divide x plus y. First we write solution, then we put equal sign. Now we take LCM of denominators. Before denominators, there is one step. The step is we open this formula. There is a square minus b square, a minus b or a plus b. Similarly, x square minus y square, then we get x plus y and x minus y, just like x plus y divide x minus y as it is, minus x square minus 4y square divide this one open, x plus y and x minus y, x plus y and x minus y, minus x minus 3y as it is, x plus y. Now we take LCM after opening formula. LCM is, just look here, x minus y is same, this one as it is, and x plus y same, these are as it is. Got it? Now you come on upper value. There is x plus y, there is x minus y in denominator, and there is also x minus y. There is x plus y and there is not x plus y, that's why we multiply by x plus y. Okay, now you come on next fraction, minus numerator as it is, x square minus 4y square, x square minus 4y square, can't write bracket. There is x plus y are cancelled, there is x minus y are cancelled. Now you come on next fraction, minus x minus 3y. Now you come on lower value, x plus y are same, there is x minus y, there is no x minus y in denominator, that's why we multiply by x minus y. Got it? Now we multiply by these, just like x multiply by x, then we get x square, x multiply by y, then we get xy. Similarly, y multiply by x, then we get again xy, plus plus plus, y multiply by y, then we get y square, minus x square minus 4y square as it is. Again, now we multiply by this fraction, x multiply by x, then we get x square, x multiply by y, plus minus minus, x multiply by y, then we get xy, minus plus minus, 3y multiply by x, then we get 3xy, minus minus plus, 3y multiply by y, then we get 3y square, and the value of denominator as it is, x minus y, x plus y. First we open this bracket, then we combine like terms and simply solve it. X square plus xy plus xy plus y square minus x square minus 4y square minus, now we open this bracket, minus x square minus minus plus xy minus minus plus 3xy minus plus minus 3y square, and denominator are x minus y and x plus y as it is. Got it? Now we combine like terms. Like terms means same variable, just like there is x square, and after this there is no x square as it is. There is xy, there is no, there is also x square, there is also x square. Got it? There is x square, there is also x square, and there is also x square. Sorry, there is plus sign, there is plus sign. Okay, this is plus x square and this is minus x square, that's why these are cancelled, and after this is single x square. Now you come on xy, and then this is y square, and xy plus xy, this is xy, and plus 3xy. Now you come on y square, this is y square, and this is also y square minus 4y square, and this is minus 3y square, and the denominator is x minus y and x plus y as it is. Now you come on next step. Next step are, this is x square as it is, xy, xy, xy and xy. There is 1 1 1. Got it? 3 4 5 6 plus 6xy, because all xy have plus sign. Plus 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 plus. That's why there is one constant, there is one constant, there is one constant, and there is also 3. That's why 1 1 1 3, and this 3 is 6xy. Okay, now you come on next, plus y square minus minus plus. When we add this, then we get 7y square. Minus 4 is the biggest value, that's why we will put minus here. Denominator as it is, x plus y and x minus y. X square plus 6xy as it is, plus minus minus. When we subtract this, then we get 6y square. 7 is the biggest value, that's why we will put minus. X plus y and x minus y. This is x square, this is xy, and this is y square. They are unlike, that's why we can't further solve it. This is answer. Got it? After this, it's too much easy, and this question take too much practice. Got it? बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना ईजी है, बट इसमें साइंस को फॉलो करना थोड़ा टफ है, और अगर साइन में मिस्टेक हो गई देन योर टोटल क्वेश्चन विल बी रॉन्ग. गॉट इट? इसलिए इसको आप बहुत प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है. आपने बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी है इन क्वेश्चंस की, ताकि आपके फिंगर टिप्स पे क्वेश्चंस आ जाएं. ओके, आफ्टर दिस देयर इज एफ पार्ट. एफ पार्ट इज़ 1/2z माइनस 3 माइनस 2/3 माइनस 2z प्लस 18/9 माइनस 4z. फर्स्ट वी टेक एल्सियम. फर्स्ट वी फॉलो डैट कि आपके डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं वो सेम बन जाएं. आप डिनोमिनेटर्स को सेम करने की कोशिश करें. देन वी टेक एल्सियम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड सिंप्लीफाई दिस फ्रैक्शन. गॉट इट? दिस इज too much easy, and this is your H work exercise 6b, question number 4, part B, part C and part F is H work. If you have any problem in these parts, then inbox me, and this is your H work. Thank you.